Thingira-ini wa iregi miaraho ya umuthi President William Ruto ahigirie kiraniro giake kia mbere thutha wa kwihitithio agikira kirore kwihitithio kwa acithania atandatu aria mekirirwo nganja ni thirikari ya President Kenyatta.
We are all equal before the law and before our constitution, and therefore there must never be the case of the animal farm where there are people who are more equal than others.
I, Joel Maurangugi,
umwe thutha wa uria ungi acirithania Weldon Koril, Jojo Dunga, Joel Ngogi na Agri Muchelure riu mari na muhuri na mwihitwo wa gutungatira igoti ria gucokia macira riko.
Mange Judith Elizabeth.
Atandatu aya ni gatagati ka 40 ya aria mahitukirio ni kamiti ya gutetera ona kurunga migendere ya acirithania JSC mwaka-ini wa 2019 no tariki 1 mweri-ini wa 6 mwaka muthiru President Kenyatta akiga kumahitukia thutha wa kwirikana mari na maroro ma kwaga wuigiririki.
I want to request the judiciary on behalf of the people of Kenya to support our administration in ensuring that corruption cases, commercial cases, land cases are adjudicated and concluded in a timely manner, because that way we can promote Kenya as a country that attracts investment.
Naona gutuika ikinya ria President Kenyatta ni yangetherwo igoti-ini nene mweri-ini wa 10 mwaka muthiru kuria President athirwa muri atandatu wa ihindi ya thikũ 14 watho uyu nduigana kurumirirwo.
Even as president, I have limitations, and I should respect those limitations. And all other arms of government have their limitations, and we must all live within the bounds of our mandate, so that we can have a country that is based on the rule of law.
Gwikinyia kwa mucithania munene wa ihinda riu David Maraga igongona-ini riri oho gukihithuria gukinyanira kwa umwe wa mendekithia maki acithania ya mehitithio. President Ruto mwena-ini wake augite to wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa magoti ukuhinga tu thirikari yake ni harire gutigirira kigina kiria kigayagirwo ruhonge ruru ni giakinyanira. Thikũ imwe thutha wa kwihita kugitira wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa magoti, riu President William Ruto ni hitithĩtie majaji othe atandatu akimuria marute wira kihinyo matekwenderera ona kana mateguthutukania. Ngiribotera Kameme TV thingira-ini wa iregi kaunti ya Nairobi, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.